Bruh.
YouTooz for YouTooz, I'll review them with you. YouTooz for YouTooz, I have more than a few. YouTooz for YouTooz, there's many to see. YouTooz for YouTooz, review them with me. YouTooz for YouTooz, it'll be a blast. YouTooz for YouTooz. Wait, which one am I reviewing? I'm so glad that you asked. Hello and welcome to What the Hey, where I'm your regular host of What the Hey, and today on What the Hey, I will once again be unboxing and reviewing a YouTooz vinyl figure. If you don't know what YouTooz is, I have a video specifically for that, but to give you a basic rundown, it's basically a vinyl figure making company that mainly does figures of YouTubers. The company has been around for a while, so if you haven't heard about it or you haven't bought anything from there, I would definitely consider at least checking it out. But yeah, today I will be reviewing the Carson figure, which was released on August 21st. The price was $29.99. The height is 4.5 inches. The colorway is cryin, and it ships out October 24th through the 31st, and the number is 0. I am very much on theme today because I have my subscribe to Call Me Carson mug with some coffee in it because I'm tired. So as far as information from my end goes, I bought the figure on the release date, I received my shipment email on October 9th, and I received my actual figure on October 15th. Now it's a little weird to me because the figure was supposed to ship out around the 24th through the 31st, but I've already received mine. I don't know if that's just because of the whole coronavirus situation, but either way, it's here. Now here's a cool little extra fact. CallMeCarson, who the figure is made after, decided that for every purchase of the Carson YouTooz, $10 will be donated to the Jed Foundation, which essentially helps with young adult mental health. CallMeCarson is a really strong advocate for stuff like that, so I just thought that was like an extra reason to buy the figure besides the fact that it looks cool. So now I can actually get into unboxing the figure itself. Now, if you're not familiar with YouTooz packaging, your figure will come inside of a cardboard box with the YouTooz logo on it and the YouTooz pink tape that sometimes is holiday themed, so it's cool depending on when you buy your figure. So the cardboard box is typically really easy to open. You can just kind of cut on the top as well as on the sides. I'm not going to show it, but there's also a sticker that shows your name and the delivery information, so you'll have that on there as well. That was easy. So once you have the flaps of the box cut, you can just kind of lift them and start to get the box out inside. Yeet! That sounded weird. So if this is your first time purchasing or receiving a figure, once you open the cardboard box, you will get an outer sleeve as well as the inner sleeve that actually has the figure. On the outer sleeve, you'll usually have depictions of the figure and the name of the figure, like it says Carson vinyl figure, and then it has depictions of the figure on the top and different designs overall the box. To typically just get to the inner box, you just kind of have to push it out. So then when you get the inner and most important portion of the box, you will see the figure inside, you'll see more depictions of it, and sometimes the figures will have descriptions of the YouTuber or whoever it is on the back, but for this specific box, it's kind of dedicated to a specific Call Me Carson moment in regards to Minecraft Mondays. But as you can see, it just has the number, it's number 0. I'm not exactly sure how they number the boxes, but that's how it is. They also have Carson vinyl figure. It's part of the Lunch Club collection, which is really cool. It also says no on the side of the box because if you're unfamiliar with the meme, Carson basically got tricked by the easiest and well-known Minecraft tournament trick in the book, and that was pretty sad. I haven't played Minecraft as much as Carson has, but I can say with certainty that I have become well established with the rules of Minecraft Hunger Game tournaments, and when I saw him do that, I was a little bit disappointed, but it happens to the best of the best. On the back, it has a picture of Carson's computer with the words, "You died," because he did in fact die, and it's also really cool. I didn't expect this, but it has one of his YouTuber plaques on the back, which is really cool. Now to get to the actual figure, there's usually a top flap on the box that you just kind of have to maneuver to open. Sometimes the top flaps of the box have stuff on them, and this one says, "You're joking," which Minecraft was not Carson, so big oof on you, dude. Also, to bring it up, because people have asked me in the past, there's a scratch code on the box. I originally thought that this was for a game that YouTooz was putting together, but I have been also recently notified that this isn't maybe a thing, so I still am unsure about what these are. But they're there, so, make sure you don't lose them. The figure is usually just encased in some plastic, so you can just kind of slide it out to get to the actual figure. See, with the plastic, the figure is just kind of put inside it, so it can neatly sit inside the box if you're one of those people who like to keep the box as well. But here's the actual Cryin CallMeCarson figure. It's really nice, the colors are really smooth, as well as the figure itself. CallMeCarson is just chilling on his chair and crying, and I feel that right now. Like usual, I'm always really impressed with the design and the just overall finish of the figure, so 10 out of 10 on the production team and Carson as well. The figures usually tend to have YouTooz.com or the brand YouTooz logo on the bottom of the feet, so if you want to look at that and be like, hey, it says YouTooz, you can. With the way the figure is, you can just literally have him sit on your desk, so it's like cool and nice. So yeah, that's essentially the video, so if you have any questions, let me know and I'll get to answering them as soon as I can, so thank you so much for watching. Bye!